The career job that I picked for this project was anesthesiology. And for this career path, you have to have 4 years of, you have to complete 4 years of bachelor degree, 4 years of graduate education in the course of medicine. And then after you're done with it, you're not done. You have to go to 4 years of residency for anesthesiology. And right now, if you see, most college students, they actually go for anesthesiology, so it's pretty competitive. But in like hospitals, they actually need more of anesthesians to work, so they are kind of in need of more. And anesthesians, they approximately earn a salary of 300,000, but then if they are more experienced, you could earn up to 450,000 annually. And you would need to take biochemistry, anatomy, microbiology, physiology, and calculus, stat, sociology, anthropology, and then you have to have at least advanced classes for English. And the pro for this is you can earn a lot of money for the job that you like doing, but then the con is the job is very risky. You could put people's life in danger. If you overdose them, you have a chance of killing them or maybe putting them in a coma. And that's it for anesthesiology.
My career path choice is a biomedical engineer. For a biomedical engineer, the average salary is 82K. And to become a biomedical engineer, you need at least a bachelor's degree in engineering, preferably biomedical engineering, but a lot of biomedical engineers they have degrees in mechanical or electrical engineering. And one good part about the job is that you really only need 4 years of schooling to get a job as a biomedical engineer. But if you want a senior level role, then you probably will need to get at least a master's. Some classes you need to take as a biomedical engineer are probably multivariable calculus, introduction to biomechanics, survey of organic chemistry, and introduction to physics. There's a 20% 10-year job growth rate in biomedical engineers, for biomedical engineers, which means that there are going to be a lot of new jobs in the field, which is good for people who are want to be one. So it's easy to get a job. And some of the pros and cons for biomedical engineers. The pros is that it's a growing field, it's an in-demand job, so it's pretty easy to find one after school. There's decent pay, and you only really need 4 years of schooling to get a job, so you just need a bachelor's. And the main con is that while it is a growing field, it's still a relatively small number of jobs because there are not many companies that are hiring. There's only specific companies for biomedical engineers, and that's it.
Okay, so the career I picked is financial economics. There is a need for them, but as the years go on, it gets slower and slower because more people are going in that field, and that means more jobs are being taken over by it. The salary for it is 80,000 to 100,000. It can be more than that if you're more advanced in that field. The classes that you should take is micro and macroeconomics, accounting, a lot of math like calculus, statistics, all of that, and then also financial management. They prefer bachelor's degree, but some careers you actually need a master's degree. The pros of it is that it has a nice salary to it. It has more range of specialized fields. You can travel abroad for some opportunities, and there's multiple industries that will take these type of careers. The cons are that you have to take more years of math. There's a lot of competition because everyone picks that field, and it's a high job preparation, and there are strict deadlines to get to that field.
My first career path is electrical engineering. So when a person is an electrical engineer, they deal with various amounts of different electrical products, such as phones, to computers, to different things like that, and electrical cords things. So the forecast for this job is that it is growing at a slower rate than most. So it's growing at a rate of 2%, which is not normal compared to other careers. And also the projected salary, however, is very high. It's projected to be $91,000 and Yeah, so a year. So also the entry requirements of this career is to gain first a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, and the salary that one would acquire would depend on if they become a graduate student or if they specialize in a specific area of electrical engineering. So next is the classes or degrees that are helpful toward this career is, of course, math and science. So any science courses such as coding and things like that, and mathematics courses. The pros for this career are the high salaries, the wide range of career opportunities, and the job's flexibility, because you can choose many different areas you want to specialize in. And the cons of this career is the limited job growth, which is due to overseas competition, and also the risk of personal injury due to electric shock or things like that. And lastly, the ongoing educational requirements as we become more of a technological advanced society. So secondly, my next career path is gynecology. So gynecologists, also known as OBGYNs, deal with the birth of babies and the care of one's reproduction organs. And the projected growth rate of this career path is 18%, which is very good. And the projected salary is very high also, and it is estimated to be $214,000 a year. The entry requirements for this career is more rigorous than that of the electrical engineering. One must first acquire an undergraduate degree in a science or a math, and then they will move on to medical school, which is 11 extended years of studying past your high school graduation. So the classes that are recommended for this particular career are also in the sciences and maths. So the pros and cons of being a gynecologist is, for pros, of course, the high salary, and also the fast job growth. And next, we also have, you get satisfaction from helping your patients. So next is the cons of this career. The cons of this career is an extensive acquirement of knowledge and education that's required for this field, and also most of the people who pursue this career end up in a lot of debt from student loans. And next is also the long hours of working that is required, and the rigorous emotional toll that it can take. Thank you.
The career path that I chose is computer programmers. They get paid $37.71 per hour. And the entry requirement is bachelor's degree. You can either major in computer programming or computer software and media applications. The growth is declining in 2014, like negative 12.4%. And then the number of jobs in 2014 is 326,000. And the pros are high job satisfaction. You determine your own destiny, well-paying jobs, multiple career options. And the cons are fast-paced, so hardcore reading, technology-driven, health problems. Thank you.